what's up? This is Dr. Jeremy Landry with Kansas City Laser-Like Lipo. I'm going to talk about NutriSense today, the NutriSense CGM, which is the continuous glucose monitor. You've maybe seen advertisements through your social media feeds, Facebook, Instagram, of individuals putting on these glucose monitors. And traditionally, when you think about measuring your blood sugar, you think about type 1 or type 2 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes typically coming on when you are an adolescent, age 10, 11, 12, 13, usually in that range. And then type 2 diabetes, which we hear about the most, which is usually brought on by poor lifestyle habits, overeating, too much sugar, and not getting enough exercise. And so the benefits of measuring your blood sugar, it's not just for diabetics, but primarily for diabetics, finding out if you're in that 90 to 110 range, seeing where your blood sugar is right after a meal, 2 hours afterwards, or coming out of fasting, and just kind of monitoring your progress throughout the day. And the traditional way of doing that is through a finger stick. And I hate needles. It's not a fun way to necessarily measure your blood sugar. Some people don't mind it whatsoever, but it's an inconvenient way. You have to do it several times a day. And then there's also those who just want to know where their blood sugar is. They're trying to hone in on some specific goals that they have. Maybe you're trying to lose weight and you want to know how the blood sugar levels throughout the day are affecting that. Or like myself, I just want to find out, how can I fine tune my workouts? How can I fine tune my eating habits to coincide with my workouts? And I've been having a little bit low energy as well, and I'm kind of curious, where is my blood sugar? So the CGMs, the continuous glucose monitors, are a really, really easy way of putting on a wearable device on the back of your arm. And by the way, the needle doesn't stay in your arm. There is a needle when you put it on. It's supposed to be pain-free. I've never done this before, so we're gonna do it here in just a second. But you wear it for 14 days. And so NutriSense, and there's some other companies that are out there, but NutriSense is one of those, top 3 companies, at least in my opinion, and through a lot of the reviews. And so with NutriSense, they send you, and you've maybe heard of this, it's the Freestyle Libre 14-day wearable. And it is through a prescription. So when you sign up for the service, they look at your health history. There's a questionnaire that you fill out. And if you qualify, you get enrolled in the service. And there are different price plans with it. You can go month to month. It's right around $350 a month. If you sign up for 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, it gets cheaper at that point. So for me, this is just an investment to do for at least a month to kind of see where my blood sugar is and how I can fine tune this. So this is the Freestyle Libre 14-day. And I'm just gonna walk through the process of how you put this on, how you use it. And again, there's a ton of benefits to knowing, what your blood sugar levels are at all times. Just go on Google, read articles from the Mayo Clinic, but I'm excited to try this. So the first thing is, you do want to clean your arm with an alcohol swab. So they do supply you with that in the box. So I'll take this out really quick. I do not like needles. And again, this is not supposed to hurt. The directions said you should not feel anything, or it might be a light pinch, but you do want to put it on the back of the arm. They recommend finding, the fattiest part of the back of your arm. I don't have a lot of fat on my arm, so we're just gonna go on the back of the arm like I'm supposed to. So I'm just gonna wipe this down and clean it really good. And I'm actually gonna use one more wipe to do this, just to make sure. So kind of go through here and clean this. And then the next step is you want to peel the lid off this little container. So we're going to peel this back. And then there's a little mark right there on the front, and that's really important because when we twist this open, so you just twist it and you screw it off, pull it open. You want to line up the line here on the front with that line on this little container. And so once we've done that, we push it down in there. And you want to find a hard surface and you just kind of press down. So that was really easy. It went right in, and then you just pull it right out. And so you can see there is a needle on there. Not too excited about this, but again, it's not supposed to hurt. Going to find out. And then we just find the back part of the arm. So a nice little part right here. And then we're just going to put it on. And I truthfully didn't feel a thing with that. And then you pull it out and it's stuck on the back of the arm. And there is a bandage that goes over this that they supply you with. And it is recommended to put this on, and you do want to put this on because this will help, seal it. So if you're taking a bath, taking a shower, you can wear this in water. They say you can wear it for up to 30 minutes in 3 feet of water. So if you do swim a lot, not sure how that's going to work with your lifestyle, but apparently it is waterproof and you can wear it for a period of time. They don't recommend wearing it in salt water. So if you're going to be, surfing or spending a lot of time in the water, you may not want to wear it during those periods of when you do it. So right now it's stuck on, and then you would take this bandage and then it just goes right over the top and you just seal it on the back of your arm. Now to activate this, and before you put the bandage on, you do want to activate this. I'm going to make a separate video on that. You'll take your smartphone and you'll tap it right up to it. And you have to have the NFC feature on your phone, but that'll automatically activate the sensor on the back of your arm. And then there's a countdown timer in the app that will tell you when this is going to expire. So again, that's 14 days. But at that point, you can log into your phone at all times. You can monitor your blood sugar in real time and see exactly where it is. So I'm excited to try this out. I will make an updated video as time goes on, sharing my experience with this. And what I can tell you though, again, that was a pretty good looking needle that was on the inside, and I absolutely did not feel a thing when that went in. So I mean, there was literally not even a pinch with it. So for those that are afraid of needles like myself, I'm not a big fan of them, even though I have tattoos. I don't mind tattoos. Shots and other things, I do them. They're not my favorite thing, but that really wasn't too bad. So as always, if you guys have any questions, please reach out to the clinic. Please reach out to myself. The phone number is on the screen. My email address is on the screen as well. I love answering questions. We love helping our patients. Obviously, we are a weight loss practice. We are all about health, wellness, nutrition, and helping people hit their health goals. Be sure to like this channel, subscribe to this channel, which means you like it most likely, and click the like button on the video. Anytime you do that, it shows YouTube that our videos have somewhat relevance. They show them to more people, and the more people we can help. But be sure to check out our website as well. I'll put that on the screen. And again, any questions, please let me know. But stay tuned for the next video where I will show you how to activate the NutriSense CGM and how to use it on your phone. So stay tuned.